Hi everyone, this is Nina and welcome to another episode of Youth Data Science Survival Guide. So today we're going to be talking about GDP prediction code. So GDP, or otherwise known as Gross Domestic Product, is a widely used economic indicator that measures the monetary value of all goods and services produced within a country's borders in a specific period of time. It is often used as a key metric for measuring a country's economic growth and overall standard of living. GDP is calculated by adding up the value of all final goods and services produced in a country, including both private and public consumption, government spending, investments, and net exports. So now let's begin the coding. I'll explain each part as I type through. So these lines that I'm currently typing tell the computer to use some tools to help read and plot the data. Here you can press run to test out if there's any problem with the code. This line tells the computer to read some data from an Excel file. Here you would have to type in where this Excel file is. So what you do is you first scroll to find where your file is and get more info. And from there, you'll see it says where, and you highlight it to Command C to copy paste it. And then you just paste it right here. However, it does not contain the name of the file, so you would have to type the file name in yourself. Here, I would suggest you to run it again to check that the file is written correctly and in the right place. These lines tell the computer to use some tools to help create and analyze a mathematical model, such as a linear regression model. This line tells the computer to prepare the data for the mathematical model by transforming it in a certain way. This 3 means that we would transform this model to 3-degree model. These lines tell the computer which data to use as the input, x, and which data to use as the output, y, for the linear regression model. This line transformed the input data in a certain way to help the computer create the mathematical model. These lines tell the computer to create a linear regression model based on the input and output data. This line tells the computer how well the linear regression model fits the input and output data. This line prepares some new data to use with the linear regression model. This line tells the computer what the output would be for the new input data based on the model. This line tells the computer what the output would be for all the input data based on the mathematical model. These lines tell the computer to create a graph showing the input and output data and how well the model fits the data. When you press run, the graph will appear and it will approximately look something like this. And now you've officially finished this tutorial. Congratulations and see you next time.